Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's Megan Ryan and I'm back actually with a really good day trading recap. So today I traded DKNG. We can look at my watch list because I only had a few minutes to trade at the open because I have errands to do. I also had to bring my car in the service. So literally I only had actually pre-market to trade and a few minutes at the open. So really I had to leave around this time here. What time? Like 5 minutes after open because, I had to bring my car in service. I had to go to work. So I have to do all those things. It's Friday. I have to pick it up later. So all those things. So today I traded DKNG. It was gapping up. I sent an order here. I was actually risking just this low of day here. That's why it was a really good move. And I was done trading here. I had no levels yet because really I actually wasn't planning to trade, but I took a try on DKNG because it was gapping up and it was bouncing a few times on this previous days. If you look, that's why I was confident that it's gonna bounce from that. So this is where it bounced in this 2 days ago candles. This two, as you can see, 2 days highs. Basically that's it because it was gapping up. It sold off here, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be, if it holds this area, it's gonna be bought. So I sent an order. What was my order? 1705, not 17, because 17 will be really right. So I got filled here. I was really happy I got filled, but I was ready to get out if it goes down to this levels here, probably 1680. So I was risking I think 30 cents on this one. Yeah, and then I caught a good move. I caught a pop here, caught here. I missed this pop here because market order is not allowed. I pressed market order here, didn't get me filled. So I had to change to limit order, and then I waited a bit to profit here, and then I said I'm going to be all out here because it's a level. It's probably going to be back at my break even, which it almost did. And it was bought back, and I said, okay, I'm gonna use this 1741 as a level because it was bought back, and it's actually also a level here. And these are daily levels. This red candles, and this was my original target for the day in case this was a few daily candle I combined. So this was my original target, but I just didn't have time to wait for this 1875, and I decided to just get it all out. Yeah, so what else? Let's look at. Give me 1 sec. Yeah, so let's look at the scanner on how I picked DKNG. It was very obvious. Let's go here. Scanner. DKNG was one of the highest volume at the open. It was up 5%. So I like trading if it's within 3% for a continuation of a gap up. So I like doing that. And it rejected, as you can see here, it's still gap up at around this area here, and then the previous day close was here. So the only thing it can do is gap close, which it was having a hard time here because it was 2 daily candles. That's why I took it long there. Even here, when I took it long here, I was risking this area here, but I was just gonna stop out. Just it makes a new low because I didn't want to give back a lot of my profit. Yeah, so let's look at scanner. So scanner is in volume wise. This is I think 11:12. I don't know what time is it. Oh no, this is correct time, but this was before. This was pre-market time. So DKNG was number 1 and plug. So I had plug and DKNG on my watch, and I just ignored everything else because if you look, Mara, LCID was here. No, they're all low volume. There's one here, 400,000 net. I don't know what that is. PDD is down. Warner Brothers. So that's a thinly traded stock probably. So Lyft is good. Was it Lyft? Yes, Lyft is good, but I did not look at Lyft. Let's see what happened to Lyft. Yeah, see, Lyft was too strong. Yeah, probably buy back at VWAP. for continuation. That's the thing, when it opens really strong the first minute, then that's going to be tough to trade. You might want to ignore that. That's why DKNG was actually a good, it was a sell-off, then a continuation. Yeah, so I pretty much made my day back from my yesterday's losses. So it was a good day, good day to end the week. So yeah, let's watch. But of course, before everything else, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and follow me on my social media accounts. Let's watch. Yeah, as you can see here, I have plug in, what's this? It's still PDD. It's funny, it's still PDD. So I took DKNG long for, you know, for VWAP, and risking just this 1680 here. Really, I had to wait properly on this one. If not, I'm just gonna stop out if it goes to 17. So yeah, I even didn't have time to make levels yet. So let's look. Oh, not this one. So I have a level there, and I'm gonna start making levels because I didn't have any levels at all. As you can see here, that was a really good one. So I got filled there. So trading pre-market, you can't use market order. I know that already. I'd experienced that before. Wow, I missed that. So that was just sending limit orders. So it's actually done here around this time here. Yeah, it's taking more because it could easily drop because it rejected VWAP. So yeah, so that's the thing here. 1705. Even this one, I didn't think I will get filled. I think it's if it's stop limit. This is stop market, so I think I probably won't get filled if, you know, if it reaches this level here because it's stop market. It should be stop limit. But I know, I mean, just to tell me that I have to stop there. So I stopped out all my. I was all out at this point now. Yeah. So just waiting for the open. And I said, okay, should I trade more since, you know, I really had to leave? There you go. It was bought back. 20-cent spread. That's crazy. 10-cent spread. So I have to be careful. Just use limit orders instead of market orders, because imagine if you're trading 20 cents, it got filled with a 10-cent spread. That's like half loss already. I was really happy with this one. So I was making levels now. At this point, I have 5 minutes, and I told myself, if I'm gonna day trade a bit, I can try small size or probably a wider stop to participate the open, because I really had to leave. Let's see. Just making recap. So this was kind of my target, and here, this area here, if I want to trade it long for a continuation. So I have a few levels here, really, you know, really busy here at 1755.40 area. So you don't want to chase this. So $18 to 1740, so 1750, that's about 50 cents. There you go, market open. Let's look. So I want to look closely here. So this is I was kind of like tempted to take it long here, but I said okay for a breakout of 18. But I waited. I'm glad I did not get in. So I have this level here, 1741. So it's right just within VWAP, and I have this level here, $17. Right, this 2-day level here. So that I kind of used that to to use as a stop, but seriously, I was just gonna stop somewhere at 17.20. I just wanna risk half of this trade. So there you go. It's kind of struggling. Let's look. There you go. Just took a small partial and then wait for a break even, and I'm ready to leave. There you go. I'm gonna take somewhere off here. Yep. That filled. 10% partials, 10% partials. This is where I'm gonna take 25% more, 25% more. So I was just taking most of it here, because yeah, I only had 10 minutes to trade. Yeah, that was it. I was all out. So that was a quick trade. I said, okay, yeah, it's time. So really good one. So I got a pretty good profit here plus this one. So it's good enough for me to recover from yesterday's loss. Yeah, so that's it. And really, I wanted this. I should have sent a range order for this area in the stop, but I didn't know. Maybe I'm gonna leave for an hour, so I didn't know what to do. Yeah, it's pretty much this was just a kind of like a breakout of this area here to $18. Even for you can even trade it at the VWAP they claim for a breakout of this one and risk maybe this one or this area here 1750. So that's about 30 cents, maybe 30 cents to risk. And this one you get a 2-to-1 move. Sometimes you even just need 1-to-1, but you know, if you can get 2-to-1, that'd be great. But 3-to-1 will be tougher, will be harder to get it to open unless you know exactly where to, you know, to enter, like here. So that's why I was confident to hold it, because my average was really good. Yeah, so after this I left. Let's fast forward this a bit and see what happened. Wow, look at that. That's crazy. Yeah. It's a crazy move. So that's about 15%. 15% is only $2. Imagine. That's the thing with lower price stocks. Can easily get a really good move. So ATR of this is the ATR of this $1.02. So that's it range about $2.28 for today. Plus that's a crazy range. So if you want to short it, you can probably short it somewhere here, top of this area here, and then take profit somewhere 50. I think if I'm gonna short it, risk 25, short maybe 1906, this area here. So that's about 20 cents. Take profit at 56. Yeah. Let's look at the stock again. Oh, I was kind of right there. Yeah, I didn't know it went there already. So yeah, so this was a good risk reward area here for a short. This area here. I don't know. I don't have any levels here anymore. So yeah, I didn't really pay attention for wider levels because I had to leave. Anyways, that's it. And thank you for watching and happy Friday. You know what to do. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you have any questions, just comment down below. And I'll be glad to help you out if you have any questions.